Hello everyone, 7th class students. Here is your chapter number 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. The most important MCQs are here for you. Question number 1 is, the weather reports are prepared by which department? You have to tell the name of the department. So, it is your option number B. Meteorological department. Now next is you have to tell the name of the instrument which is used to measure rainfall. Okay, this is your question number 2. So which instrument we are using here for measuring the rainfall? That is your option C, rain gauge. Rain gauge is the instrument which is used to measure rainfall. Okay. Now question number 3 is there. Name the thermometer used to measure the temperatures of weather. So we know that option A, clinical thermometer, it is used to measure the temperature of human body. B option, laboratory thermometer, it is used to measure the temperature of very hot things like boiling water. It means option C is the right one, maximum and minimum thermometer. Now question number 4 is, all changes in the weather are caused by. So which is responsible for change in weather? That is our ultimate source of energy, option B, sun. Now next is question number 5. Measure of the moisture in air is called. So moisture in air is known as C part, humidity. Okay. Question number 6 is climate of Kerala. When we are talking about the climate, we are talking about the weather conditions over there near about 25 years. 25 years weather patterns is seen to decide the climate of any place. Okay. So what is the climate of Kerala? Kerala's climate is hot and wet. Your option C is right one. In question number 7, climate of Rajasthan. You have to tell the climate of Rajasthan. Yes, it is not cool and wet, not dry and wet. It is your option A, hot and dry. Option A is right one. Now next is question number 8. Polar regions are. What are polar regions? You have to tell here the name of the places. Okay. So B option is not right. Right option is your A, Canada, Greenland and Norway. Now question 9 is, in winter season, the temperature of polar regions can be as low as. Right option is B1, minus 37 degree Celsius. Very important question. Question number 10. Well-known animals living in polar regions are. You have to tell the name of the animals of polar regions. So, my dear students, they are option A, penguins and polar bear. These are the animals of polar regions. Now, question number 11. Siberian cranes. Siberian cranes are migratory birds. They come from Siberia to places like Indore in Madhya Pradesh, Bharatpur in Rajasthan, Sultanpur in Haryana. So right option is both B and C. It means Siberian crane come from Siberia to both Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. So option D is the right one. Now in question number 12, you have to tell the tropical rainforest region has generally the higher and lower temperature during winters and hot summers is about dash respectively. So right answer is here 15 degrees Celsius in winters and 40 degrees Celsius in hot summers. B option is right one. Now question number 13. The tropical rainforest region sports wide variety of plants and animals. Why? You have to tell the reason. Yes, it is continuous warmth and rain. A option is the right one. Now question number 14. Dear students, biodiversity means variety of living plants and animals. Okay. So biodiversity can be seen more in option A is desert area, B1 is polar regions, and C option is tropical rainforest. So due to continuous rain, tropical rainforest, option C is the right one for having more biodiversity. Now question number 15 is the average weather pattern taken over a long time, about how many years, which is known as climate of that place. Your answer is option C, 25 years. 25 year is the right option. We will observe the pattern of 25 years to declare the climate of a place. Now question number 16 is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place is called what? Yes, the day-to-day condition of atmosphere is known as weather. Option D is right one. Now question number 17. Which of these is the adaptive feature of polar bear? Now polar bear is the animal of polar region. Okay. So what are its adaptations? Yes, its adaptations are thick white fur, a layer of fat under skin, and long and sharp claws. D option is the right one. Now in question number 18, which of the following is incorrect for penguins? Again, penguins are also polar region animals. So what is the incorrect statement for penguins here? They cannot swim. No, it is wrong. They can swim. So option A is right one. Question number 19. Why in deserts nights are much cooler than days? Okay. So what's the reason? Yes, due to high humidity, no. Due to high wind speed, again no. It rains at night, no. So right option is B1, that is your sand cools down faster in deserts. That is why nights are much cooler. Last question, question number 20. You have to tell the elements of weather. Now, what do you mean by elements? Elements means factors, okay, which affect weather. Those factors which affect weather, they are known as elements of weather. Here in option A, temperature is there. In option B, humidity is there. In option C, rainfall is there. So dear students, temperature, humidity and rainfall, all of these are the elements of weather. So right option is your option D, all of these. Now these are your top 20 MCQs of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.